Hi, I'm Gene Corbett, Director of Total Driver. Dr. Andrew Peterson from Griffith researched Frank Gardner's work. He found a massive change in outcome. He found a massive improvement in driver behaviour, driver culture, and most importantly, driver risk. What Total Driver did was know how to take that knowledge and information and make it available to every person on the road. We knew we could structure the Learn to Drive process to provide that advanced student at an affordable price. Now we just have to research that to prove beyond just what our customers are saying. With the research that you've done, how can you see this benefiting the students that need it the most, the people that are learning to drive?
Those drivers who had participated in a structured, dedicated program had moved from being reactive to proactive, which means that they perceived events or potential hazards, risky situations, and they prepare themselves for that event such that they were ready. So their behaviour had improved significantly.
I think any sort of research that's going to zoom down and clearly identify the problem has to be a great idea.
With our research program and the support of Griffith University, we aim to demonstrate in the next 12 months a very different range of learning curves between the control and non-control group. The increase in proficiency means a change in driving culture, better decision making, reduced risk, which will change that spike from being a multiple of 30 times their pre-licence accident rate to much, much lower than that.
Any Member of Parliament is duty bound to act on this because it's about saving lives.
It really isn't acceptable that we support legislation if it adversely affects people's lives with no demonstrable benefit.
Every single child who's learning to drive, or teenager who's learning to drive, needs to have the program that Total Driver offers.
There's a big hole in the current driver training system.
The industry as a whole seems to teach kids only the basic skill set to pass a driving test. But I absolutely highly recommend that they pledge to the program.
It takes money to do research. This research is essential. We're not talking about just the novice drivers. We're talking about all the drivers, everybody on those roads. That's you, me, everybody.
This is what happens if we don't do anything. You've seen the videos, you heard from the experts. Make your chance to create a better opportunity. Pledge to this research program now. Look forward to you being part of our journey. Thank you.